is up, you guys? Welcome back to Chiq Blend. My name is Richenza Marie.
And I'm Qui.
And this is Kodak.
This is our rough looking dog. So today we are going to be doing what can fit inside of this YSL mini Lou bag.
Ooh.
I just purchased this a couple weeks ago, so if you guys have not seen the unboxing, we will link it down below.
Oh, let me ask you a couple of questions since you've been wearing the bag.
Oh, yeah.
How is it so far? Do you like it? Do you like her,
So
darling?
far, I am in love with this purse. It's such a beautiful bag. I have been rocking it everywhere. So I wanted to hit you guys with a video on everything that can fit.
Okay. Have you been wearing it crossbody, shoulder?
So for me, I usually wear everything crossbody, but for this one, it's a little bit shorter. So I've just been wearing it the regular way. Just
Shoulder strap.
shoulder strap.
Okay. Dressy or casual?
Both.
Oh, okay.
I feel like it is
Okay,
good
girl.
for casual, and I feel like it's great for dressy. But if you were to take a first look at this bag, you would think it would be dressy, but no, it's dual purposes.
Okay, so yeah, let's get into the what fits in the bag.
Let's go.
So this is the YSL bag, and we are going to pack it so you can see what's in our bag. A powder compact, so we'll put that in there. Car key. We'll throw in some lotion, deodorant, lipstick, definitely a phone, and we'll also add in a clay. And as for the phone, that is the iPhone X, and this closes perfectly. Now, if you want to try a different configuration, so this is everything that's currently in here: clay, phone, deodorant, lotion, powder compact, key, and lipstick. You can also put in here the mini pochette, we'll do the phone, lipstick, and the key. Actually, the lotion can go inside of the mini pochette. And then instead of doing the clay, you can actually do the card holders that's in the back for a wallet instead. And as you see, it closes up perfectly.
Okay, you guys, so that is the end of our video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe down below, and we will see you next Thursday. Bye.
Bye.
Chiq Squad.